Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video, followed by an operational video on this 2024 Kubota LX2620 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, I'll show you everything that I see, tell you everything that I know, then of course we'll fire it up, we'll run it through its paces, show you the 3-point, the PTO, lift the mower deck up and engage that PTO, let you see that that runs out smooth. We'll show you the pins up front. As always, if you're in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of ag equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for equipment find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2024 LX2620 OROPS 4-wheel drive. It's got the LA535 front loader with the skid steer mount quick attach. This one is equipped with a 72-inch belly mower, hydro transmission, R14 tires, tilt steering wheel. It's got a mulching kit on that belly mower, and only 48 hours. So here in a little bit when we fire it up, we'll show you these pins up here, very tight like they should be. And as I go around everything here, you'll see it's a very nice tractor, basically like new, which it should be. As you can see here, that orange paint, very bright and reflective. Couple little tiny scuffs here and there in that loader, but very nice. Side of the hood you can see is very bright and reflective there. Coming down here, looking at the front tires, obviously like new, still have some of the little knobs on them there. Front rim on this side, very good. That orange paint's nice and bright. I really don't even see any nicks around the edges of there. Looking at the mower deck here on this side, as you can see there, very clean. I don't see anything that looks like it's been cracked or welded. A couple little scuffs and scratches down here. It does have 48 hours. It's been used a little, but nothing looks like it's been busted or cracked or welded. That paint is very bright. Looking at this fender here, again, nice and bright and reflective, nice and straight there. Nothing bent up or dinged up there. Underneath the fender's good. Rear tire, again, let's call it 99% tread life. Still has some of the little knobs on it all over the place. Rear rim on this side, again, very bright orange paint. Couple little bit of scuffs just around the outer edge there, that rim. Coming back to the back, 3-point drawbar, 540 PTO. Everything back here, as you can see, looks new. Same thing up in here. Everything looks good here. Same thing there. Again, looking at the tire on this side, still has some of the little knobs. Underneath the fender, very nice, like it should be. Looking at the rear rim on this side, again, orange paint, very bright. A couple little scuffs around the outer edges here. That's about it. Looking at the mower deck on this side, this steel flap is in good shape. Mulching kit. Again, nothing looks like it's been cracked or welded or plated anywhere here. Top of that deck's really good. Fender on this side. Again, very bright and reflective paint here. Couple little scuffs right there, little nicks in the paint. Front tire, again, still has knobs on it. Front rim, nice and bright orange paint. And I really don't see any scuffs around the outer edge of that rim either. Taking a look at the loader arm on this side and the side of the hood there, you can see very bright and reflective. Loader arm, same thing. little bit of a scuff scratch right there. Nothing looks like it's been busted, cracked, or welded that I'm seeing. Same thing, back of the skid steer mount plate, everything looks good there. And it is the heavy duty bucket. It's got the spots where you can put on a bolt-on cutting edge if you wanted to. Still retains 99% of the orange paint there in the bucket. A couple scuffs and scratches up across the top edge there. Grill guard's in good shape. I already have it folded out, so it's easier for me to get the hood open with one hand here. Headlights look good. That black mesh plastic all looks good. I don't see anything busted there. Top of the hood, as you'll see here, very bright and orange, reflective. Try to lift this up with one hand. As you can see up front here, very, very clean, which it should be. Fins are all really good there on the radiator. Good. Bottom side of the hood, everything looks good there. Let's see if I can get this stopper in here with one hand. Come up here and see the side of the engine the best we can here. As you can see there, very, very clean. No oil or diesel. No antifreeze running down anywhere there. Kind of hard to see here, but down here looks good. A little bit of the oil pan you can see there looks good. Front axle looks good here. Go to the other side. Again, everything looks good on that front axle. And down here in the engine. As you can kind of see here, I'll try to sneak this camera setup in there. There you can see, very clean. Nice and dry as it should be. Same thing down here. This tractor still has a lot of warranty. It's already had its 50-hour break-in service done. Take a look at the operator station here. That step shows no wear. Same thing down here, just some mud and dirt on the floor mat from us, but no tears or anything there. Brake pedals look good. Hydro pedal is good. Looking at this seat. This is the non-SU model. So it's got the better seat. It's got the armrest. They're in both in good shape. No cuts or tears on that bottom seat cushion. Same thing with the backrest. Everything looks really good there. Both armrests look good. Our controls over here, 4-wheel drive, 3-point controls, loader. And then over here, of course, our PTO selector, PTO engage, 3-stage hydro, high, medium, and low. Tilt steering wheel here. All of our light functions over here, throttle. And as you can see there, 48.4 on the hours. Everything looks good here at that steering wheel. Park brake and cruise control. All right, like I said, this one's a 2024 Kubota LX2620, 48 hours, lots of photos on our website. That's listed down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll try to answer them for you. We'll get that hood shut, we'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.